Oh, I like how she flies there. She tracks nice. She tracks pretty damn nice.
Yeah. How does it feel though?
It feels almost like a 5-inch.
Yeah. No, it's super responsive, and because of how loose, it's really easy to like control.
I almost clipped some trees, bro. I didn't see them. I didn't expect them to be so high. I was like,
Let's see how she feels when she's. Ooh, she turns nice. There's a little bit of a throttle.
Yeah, there is a touch.
Bobble, yeah.
9-foot fin that's on top of it, catching all that air.
No. You know what's the problem? That one, I need to put a battery pad on it.
Yeah.
So the battery pad is like right against the carbon, and it's not sitting as nice. But it's got the same speed.
Yeah, it does.
Like the thing is with the 5-inch, I feel like the weight.
That you
whereas with this,
feel
you
way
don't feel.
down. I like it. It's zippy. Lock in the whole. Yeah, I like it. I'm surprised how I got adjusted to your sticks.
Yeah, no, you get once you get. See, so the thing that I realized with the soft sticks.
Yeah.
When you're racing and you're pushing your thumb all the way up, I took off the tips of the stick and then I printed those. I call them like donuts, the thumb nuts, like thumb donuts.
Yeah.
And so it makes the stick lower so that when you throttle all the way up, your thumb doesn't have to move as far.
Okay.
And everything just, it's more natural.
Yeah, he's not.
Just disarm. Ooh.
Sorry, I forgot which the button was disarm.
And then this is turtle.
Oh.
He's stupid like that.
Why would you? Yeah. Why would you
No, I
do that?
saw that one.
Because here's the thing.
Like this
When you're doing whoops,
Yeah.
look, and you need to turtle. So instead of having to do disarm, arm, whatever, I just turtle.
Okay.
Right?
I wouldn't do that.
Nobody
know,
would.
yeah.
Doesn't that feel sexy?
Smoother.
I
Yeah.
hate that I can't fly everybody's quad.
You could try, bro.
No, he
No.
can't. He
would have
flies
to be
like
a
mode
bind
2 or whatever.
This feels like a factory tune, bro. Like
I tuned it for him.
you did.
Yeah, right.
It feels really good. Like hold
Yeah,
on.
no, that's basically.
I can write.
Call the joke, bro. Run with it. You're right.
Yeah, I
No,
designed
no.
that for racing. Yeah. It feels like fluid.
Yeah, it moves like water. Like that's why I just did that double roll there, and I was like, oh, I'm not even worried. I know exactly what this is gonna feel like.
Yeah. And that's the thing. Like people don't realize the difference. Lots of people, they just want it to fly, right?
Yeah.
But for me, I'm just like, I want to have that like.
It's a faster too.
Oh yeah.
I'm like trying to cruise between the sidewalk and actually pick up details. It's like, knock you, I'm gone.
And it's so smooth, and the sound, and it
So
sounds
this
like
is closer
nothing.
to what your final product will be like.
Yeah.
Let me orbit around this person, see if they get tripped up. Is it a woman or a man?
Who knows?
If it's a lady, I'm not gonna do it. She'll think like, you're peeping Tom, but you're fully dressed. And that MCK picks up a lot of light glare though.
Well, you know what I noticed with this camera? Like it's more contrasty, but it lets you see more details. Like
Yeah.
it doesn't look as good, but it gives you like the detail.
Okay, let me land it in the garage here for you.